Lightweight and compact, lower shipping cost, seasonal demand, fast turnover, low inventory risk, eye-catching demo, perfect for making marketing videos. Portable, mess-free and eco-conscious, popular among women, influencers and salons, super low shipping cost, great for global delivery. Great for home workouts, no gym required. Easy to ship, saves on storage and logistics. Unisex appeal and low MOQ from supplier. Practical item, perfect for gifting or daily use. Baby gear, cycling, travel, multiple markets. Superior quality, cuts returns and simplifies post-sale. Affordable and with high sales potential, low shipping cost, low cost, more margins, eco-friendly appeal and wide audience fit.